Hi guys, my name is Leslie and today we are going to be doing a live unboxing and review video of the Powerbeats Pro headphones. As I'm opening the package itself, it's actually super sleek. It's a really nice, very appealing box in itself. And there's also a lot of information on the box before you even open it. So first and foremost, you will see that it is sweat and water resistant at the top. You'll also see a picture of the item itself. And then on the back, you'll see what the charging kind of system, the charging package looks like, as well as what it is compatible with. So it looks like it is a USB to Lightning cable, which is compatible with Apple TV, iPhones, iPads, as well as Android devices. On the side of the box, there's also a few pieces of information that might be of benefit to you guys. There is up to 9 hours of wireless play for the battery, 24 hours with the charging case. Again, you will see that it is sweat and water resistant earphones. There's adjustable secure fit ear hooks, which is actually the reason I purchased this because my other headphones just kept popping out of my ear. And lastly, there's on-ear controls for music and calls. So right here, without ever having to actually access your iPhone or your iPad or your Android, you can actually just tap some buttons to be able to make it work. Pops right off the top very easily. Man, this is very sleek. This is like honestly one of the probably most luxurious boxes that I've personally seen. So this comes off the top and then you have a nice like embossed Beats logo. And then it comes out like that. This is the biggest charging case I've ever seen for a set of earphones. I think this is very sleek. It's like a black satin, which I really like. Look how big these are. First of all, it's so well designed. Again, very aesthetically pleasing, very minimalistic. That's how it gets charged. So there's these two little things at the very bottom that syncs right here with the bottom of your Beats Pro headphones. And then all you have to do is literally stick it back in here in order to charge it. So it was super simple. It's actually a magnetic. So I was literally able to just put it in there and then it stays, which is really nice. And you'll see a bright red light comes on, which means this probably needs to be charged in order to charge these. So in order to do that, all we have to do is go back to the box, open up the bottom, and you're going to see not only the charging cable to put the box into your wall, but also a couple of other smaller and larger earbuds themselves. So if this does not fit me, I actually have 3 others to choose from. So let's go ahead and test this first one out. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, this is like completely noise canceling. I literally cannot hear anything out of my left ear. Wow, I can't hear anything. I just hooked it around my ear after I put the bud in my ear. So hopefully that helps you guys as well. Overall, just the unboxing experience alone, it felt really luxurious. These feel incredible in my ear. And again, I can't wait to see if maybe I need a smaller one or a larger one to fit me perfectly. But highly recommend, check it out. This was one of my favorite unboxing experiences ever. So go get yourself a pair of the Powerbeats Pro headphones.